Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster, Border City. Today we're checking out this beautiful brand new 2019 Ford Super Duty F-350 Limited. Now the exterior color is a white platinum metallic tri-coat, and under the hood we have a 6.7 liter power stroke diesel engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Now at the front we have our LED high and low beam headlights, as well as our LED daytime running lights with a pair of fogs and 2 tow hooks. We also have our front face camera. And over at the side, we have our 20-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in mesh and tires, as well as we have our cameras under our mirrors on the left and right side, as well as we have our color matched mirror caps, as well as chrome door handles. We also have our privacy tinted windows at the rear, as well as we have our deployable power running boards, and on top we have our twin panel moonroof. And this Limited also comes with remote start. At the rear, we have our trailer and tow package, which includes our 4 and 7 pin connection, as well as a trailer hitch connection. We also have our reverse sensors paired to our backup camera, as well as we have our LED taillights with our power release tailgate, as well as we have a tailgate step inside. And inside our box, we have a 5th wheel prep package with our spray and bed liner, as well as our tie-down points and our LED bed lighting. And at the rear window, we have an embedded defroster with our power slide feature, as well as we have an extra reverse camera located in our 3rd braking light. At our interior, we have loads of driver-friendly features, including tons of door storage, as well as ambient lighting with power locks and memory seating for the driver, as well as we have our power windows with our power adjustable and foldable mirrors with the extendable option, as well as we have our blind spot information system. Over at our steering column, we have our LED lighting for under our mirrors, as well as our automatic headlamp dial and our fully telescopic steering wheel with our information trackpad and adaptive cruise control settings, as well as we have our pre-collision warning. And over to the right, we have our hands-free, as well as volume and media controls. And as we look up, we have our auto-dimming review mirror with our cabin lights, as well as our 6 aux ports with our 3 garage door opener points and our beautiful twin panel moonroof. And as we look at our interior, we have our limited stamping on our 2-tone brown leather, which comes with a fully adjustable seat with lumbar support for both driver and passenger. And as we look ahead, you'll notice we have our Sync 3-inch touchscreen display, which has audio control, climate control, including heated steering wheel, as well as phone connectivity, navigation, and other apps including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. As well as the driver and passenger can both enjoy a massaging seat. And we can also watch the display of our front or rear camera on our Sync 3. And down below we have our controls for our Sync display, as well as we have our dual climate control area, which includes air conditioning and heating throughout the entire cabin, as well as we have air conditioning and heated seats for both driver and passenger. As well as we have our dual smart charging USB ports. And at our center space, we have our cubby storage with dual cup holders and ambient lighting, as well as we have our center console with loads of storage underneath and 2 cup holders at the rear. At the rear, passengers can also enjoy loads of door storage, as well as ambient lighting with power windows and more storage in the rear of the driver and passenger seat. And at the back of our center console, we have a 12-volt adapter with dual heated seats, as well as dual USB ports and an AC outlet. And with our 60-40 bench seating arrangement, we are left with tons of legroom and loads of headspace to fit 3 passengers in the rear comfortably. If there are any more questions about this phenomenal F-350, please do not hesitate to contact a professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. And I would also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.